The report builder provides an easy interface for users to build their own MerlinXL HFM reports. Once connected to HFM, select the Report Builder option of the Report Wizard. The Report Builder allows you to choose what you want in the rows and the columns of your new report. First, select the main entity for the rows axis. Then choose the structure that you want, either a selection, a template, a member list, or an expansion. We've selected to use an account template. So now we have to choose which template we want to use. In this example, we'll use the income statement template. Now we choose what we want in the columns. This time we'll choose the entity dimension. And we'll choose to have a selection of entity members. So we select the entity dimension and choose the entities we want in the columns of our report by simply checking the members in the tree view. The order in which they are checked determines the order in which they will appear on the report. Then we specify the rest of the background point of view. And then finally, we can choose to add a description for our new report. And now when we select OK, the report is built, with the income statement template in the rows and the entities we selected in the columns. All the standard MerlinXL functionality, for example double-click to drill down, is available. And if we want to, we can edit this report to make it more customized. Selecting the Design Mode button allows us to modify the member labels in the rows and the columns. For example, if we want to delete some rows, we just use the XL Delete option. To add some new rows, we can copy these account row headers and paste them underneath. To add members from another dimension, we could either type in the member label or use the Merlin function to choose a member from the HFM metadata. Here we'll add a member from the custom 4 dimension and copy it to all the other rows. And now when we refresh, we have 2 tables of data. Let's also add an Excel formula to our report and copy the formula to the row header. Then, by making it a wizard formula, we can apply the formula to all the columns. And now we can switch back to report mode. And now we've built our custom report by editing the report we built using the report builder. But we can use the report builder again, and this time we can choose to reuse the elements on the current report. For this new report, we'll choose to reuse the rows on the current report and change the columns to the period dimension. Then we'll set the background point of view. But before building the report, we'll just modify the description. And now when we select OK, we'll build a new report using the rows from the current report, but with a new set of columns. So using the report builder, it's very easy to reuse rows or columns from existing reports to help us build new reports. And administrators or wizard managers are able to upload the rows or columns from a report to the library, which makes them available to be used by all the other users of the report builder. So now if another user uses the report builder, they will be able to use this new template in their report without the need to build the template themselves, saving time and the duplication of effort. So we've seen that the report builder has a simple to use interface for building Excel reports, and it allows users to reuse elements used in other reports, but still giving the users the ability to edit the reports to make them more closely fit their requirements. And the most commonly used report elements can be saved to the library to be reused by other users.